I know everybody loves the brand that saves them money, but what else do they love about us, Greg?
The new Chevy store, Brad. The new Chevy store.
Oklahoma, you're going to love our new Chevy store. Plus, you're going to love getting 2.9% APR up to 60 months with no payment for 90 days on new Chevy trucks. And we're still giving over market value for trades no matter what the condition or the miles.
They're going to love Seth's Promise too, Brad.
That's oil changes and engines for life on anything you buy.
Get to the store with more.